Welcome! How much salt do you want? How many apples do you eat? How much water do you drink?
As you can see, today we will focus on how much and how many. Let's begin. Your Language Studio presents YLS Tutorials with Jane Davis and Jack Brown, English coaches. Before we start, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Let's begin.
Pay attention to the following situations. Tom is at the farmer's market.
How many carrots do you want? I want 5 carrots. How much coffee do you want? I don't want any today, thanks.
John and Susie are making a cake.
How many eggs do we need?
We need 5 eggs.
How much sugar do we have?
We have some sugar. Sue and Anne are talking about their diet. How much milk can you drink?
I can't drink any milk.
How many tomatoes can you eat?
I can eat some.
As you can see, we use how much and how many to ask questions about quantity of countable and uncountable nouns.
For example, how many carrots do you want? I want 5 carrots. How much sugar do we have? We have some sugar.
How much is used for uncountable nouns? How much coffee do you need? I don't want any.
How many is used for countable nouns. How many tomatoes can you eat? I can eat some.
Make sure to analyze what nouns are countable and which nouns are uncountable.
Thanks for watching. See you in our next tutorial.
Bye!